Okay, I'm going to keep this super short, but we got some big announcements. We've got some crazy, awesome success stories rolling in from our students right now. We've got artificial intelligence that has been introduced to reselling, has changed the game dramatically just in the past couple of days. You've got to see this. A new wholesale course class is coming. You got to check that out. I'm going to give you details on that. Next, the Proven Amazon course just keeps getting better. And is now time for you to finally get serious and get a coach. That's what we're going to cover in this short video. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about all those success stories in our Facebook group. We just hit 83,000 members. I'll talk more about that in a minute. But let's scroll down. If you click on the media tab, this is an unedited scroll through. What I want you to notice is all of those incredible testimonials where people are popping in, sharing the sales results that they're getting. This is just the past few days. This is ridiculous. People are coming out like crazy into the group and saying, hey, look at my results. It's working. This is amazing. So I just wanted to show you that. Let's look at a couple specific examples. Here's someone that did 3 million in replens, Amazon reselling last year. 3 million. That's awesome. Here's a 7 million. Pretty awesome. This guy's been on our podcast. He'll be on it again here soon, hopefully, with an update. A proven Amazon course student and a coaching student. Here's a $2 million seller. What's interesting about this one is this gentleman lives in the UK. He only sells in the United States. He never sees or touches his inventory. His name is Stephen. We've also got a new wholesale challenge that's launching. Stephen is the guy heading it up because he is our resident wholesale coach and expert on our team, and he's getting tremendous results. So if you want to go through that wholesale challenge, I'll stick a link to that in the description of this video. As you can see, it closes in just 4 days. As I'm recording this, it's January 7th. So you've just got a couple days to get in on this, get to that page and check it out. Here's the link, provenamazoncourse.com/wholesale. That's where you can go to get in on this class. Like I said, doors close soon. If you're ready to add wholesale to your reselling business on Amazon, you must be a part of this incredible class that's going to show you how to find legitimate wholesale sources. Great strategies being taught in this class. Now, this next image that I want to show you is what it looks like inside of 3P Mercury. This big white box is where we've blocked out for privacy. This is a 3P Mercury user. It's one of the leaders on our team, actually. She demonstrated when she put all of her ASINs, all of her products into 3P Mercury and sorted them through the 3P filters, all the resulting successful products that she could go buy right now. We've really changed the game. If you don't know what 3P Mercury is, I'll stick links in the description for this video, but you've probably heard about it by now. We've got, let's see if I can make this, there we go, so you can see it. Machine learning, AI has now been added to reselling. So this link on this page that I'll give you, I'll put it on the screen here in a minute, has a demo that we just did on Monday, January 5th, a demo of machine learning, artificial intelligence, managing your replens business. You simply must see this. 3P Mercury is making things possible now that were never possible before. Basically, reselling has been reduced to 2 steps. Find product, let 3P Mercury tell you which one of those products makes the most sense to sell. We've got sellers in our community finding thousands of products weekly. We'll show you how. And then they let 3P Mercury tell them which ones make the most sense to sell. So if you want to go see this video, I'll drop that link on you. There it is, 3pmercury.com/merc. This is a temporary offer as well. It will close around the 20th or 21st of January. The beta for AI closes. The price will go up after that. So if you want to be one of the earliest users at the lowest possible price of the 3P Mercury AI features, you got to get in on this. Details are on this page. Get there, watch this demo that was recorded Monday the 5th. You're going to get super excited about what you see and jump in there. We've got hundreds of users at this point and they are raving about this. Next, I'll stick a link in the description of this video to our 83,000 member celebration. We just passed 83,000 members in our free Facebook group. We would love to add you to the list of people who are in this contest. All you have to do is get on this post, Click like, love, wow, leave a comment. We're going to have a random drawing, give away a bunch of prizes celebrating 83,000 members in the Facebook group that was voted the number one group for Amazon sellers. If you're not there, why not? It's completely free. That's where I showed you all those success story posts earlier. It's coming from this group. Jump in there, join us if you're not a part of it yet. This is the official support group for the Proven Amazon course, by the way. That's what this group is. Now, something else that happened earlier this week was we had a great Zoom chat with a bunch of new Proven Amazon course students. They all jumped on here, those who are considering getting into our community, as well as those who've just recently joined. And we shared the basics of this business model, and we answered all their questions as well. So if that's something you're interested in being a part of, I've got a link. You can go watch the replay of the one that we did, or a link to where you can join us next time as well. Okay, the last resource I'm going to stick in the description of this video is the information on how to contact our coaching team. Get a free consultation. Low pressure. We just want to answer your questions, talk you through what your best options are. Maybe you only need some inexpensive or even free resources to get rolling. Maybe you'd like our Proven Amazon course. Maybe you want to get some one-on-one coaching from one of the successful students in our community that we've recruited as a coach. Either way, there's some numbers and information on the screen, or there's a link in the description. Get on the phone with us. Let's have a chat. Hop on a Zoom. Text us if you're more comfortable with that. We'd love to hear from you. Let's get you on the path towards building a beautiful business. Hey, that's the updates I had for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll have some great podcast episodes coming up. You've heard dozens of recent success story interviews from our students. We've got a whole bunch more lined up as we head into 2026. Keep listening to the podcast. There's a link for that as well below in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.